Hello students, we are starting today the remaining part of the lesson Hereditary and Evolution. Now we are starting the part Evolution. 450 crore years back, the earth was a hot gaseous ball. Around 350 crore years back, it became the solid from the outside, but inside at the core it was still hot magma. It is having hot magma. So slowly, the chemicals from the earth reacted with each other. Water was formed on the surface of the earth. Those ones ponds and oceans. In that, there are so many numerous chemicals present. Out of that, some chemicals got mixed. Some chemicals got mixed in such a way they form the amino acids. They form the amino acids. This took crores of years. This process took crores of years. And these amino acids at certain level combine in such a way that they form proteins. After formation of proteins, no one is sure how and when the chemicals become live. Means our body is made up of full chemicals. Our body is full of chemicals. But there is one part which makes us live. So amino acids to proteins, and when the proteins got some spark, no one is knowing about it, they start movements, and the first soul, the first living thing on the earth is formed in the water, and that is called amoeba. Hereafter, scientists say that these single cellular animals started growing their shape by unification. They started getting united, and slowly from amoeba to complex animals like whale, human beings, elephants, these animals are formed. At the same time, the small algae like structures form in the water. Green algae like structures form in the water. They also started the development of other branch, that is plants. So animals and plants started with the single cell animals, and they grew in such a huge organisms we are seeing today. This process took crores of years, and this whole process is called evolution. So we understand the evolution, but there is no any solid theory which gives us the total account of this process from single cell to complex cell animals and single cell to complex plants. But on this earth there are something which can be used as a proof. We are going to see these proofs present at present time, and we can use them to prove these evolution theories. First proof is morphological proof. Morphological proof. Morphology means how you look from outside, how the uh, things are situated from outside. The eyes, the position of nose, the position of mouth, the position of ear, the position of limbs. Limbs means hands and feet. These things give us the proof. So page number 4, I am studying morphological proof. Various similarities like structure of mouth, position of eyes, structure of nostril, ear, pinnae, and thickly distributed hair on body are seen in animals, whereas similarities in characters like lip shape, lip venation, lip petioles, etc. occur in case of plants. This indicates that there are some similarities in those groups, and hence it proves that their origin must be same and they must have common ancestors. Ancestor means our forefathers. So their origin must be same. Animals dog, fox, wolf, cat, lion, tiger. These show apes, monkeys, and human. These things have got similarities from outside. The positions of their eyes, their position of their nostrils, the position of their teeth, they show some similarities. So scientists say their origin where they started must be one, must be same. So this is the great proof of morphology, which comes for 2 marks in your exam as a morphological proof. Short note on morphological proof. We look from outside, same, similar. So this is morphological proof. It's very easy. I think other things are there. We'll finalize afterward which questions are important for you. So this is morphological proof. Second is anatomical proof. If you take page number 4, figure number 1.5, human hand, cat's foreleg, patagium of bat, and flipper of whale. Even though their functions are different, the human hand moves like whatever it wants, holds like that. The cat's foreleg, it would only use for fighting and walking. Bat uses for flying, and last, whale uses for steering or swimming. So even though they are looking different and they are functioning differently, inside, anatomical means, anatomy means the science of bone. Anatomy means science of bone. When we cut them and see the structure of their bones, it looks similar. So scientists concluded their ancestors must be same. They might have originated from the same origin. If you carefully observe the picture there doesn't seem any superficial similarities between human hand, cat foreleg, flipper of the whale, and patagium of a bat. There is no any similarity from outside. Their functions are also different. But when you enter inside the structure of bones, Similarly, use of each of those structure is different in respective animals. However, there is similarity in structure of bones and bony joints in organs of each of those animals. When we enter inside and see the bones, they are having same structure, same bondings and same shapes. Little bit different, but their main criteria is same. This similarity indicates that those animals may have common ancestors. The last line is important. When they are having same bones inside, even though they are having different structure and function, they are having same bones inside, so they might have originated from the same ancestors.